Following the October 7th attack, reports indicate Israel launched a highly advanced, secret mission to track down every person linked to the event. This massive intelligence and operational effort aims to ensure that no participant, regardless of their role, escapes investigation. The mission involves a level of technological and intelligence coordination aimed at locating and addressing those involved in the attacks. A special task force named NILI was reportedly created with the clear objective to either kill or capture those involved in the October 7th attack. Israeli intelligence agencies are leveraging cutting-edge technology to identify and track suspects across the globe. Methods include facial recognition technology, phone tracking, and analysis of social media videos to pinpoint individuals. Further surveillance techniques involve intercepted calls and location data to build a clear picture of each suspect's movements and contacts. The meticulous investigation resulted in a vast target list, encompassing thousands of names. This list includes targets from various levels of involvement, signaling a wide-ranging campaign. The list ranges from senior Hamas leaders to those accused of providing minor assistance during the attack, confirming the belief that no participant is too small to escape investigation. Some suspects were identified months after the event, leveraging videos and extensive digital records collected following the October 7th attack. Reports suggest that Israel's operations in pursuit of these targets have not been confined to Gaza. Missions and strikes have reportedly extended into other regions, specifically targeting Hamas-linked figures in places like Lebanon and Iran. One reported target was senior Hamas commander Ezzedine al-Haddad, whom Israel explicitly linked to the October 7th attack. These reported actions have sparked an international discussion regarding the ethics and legality of such methods. Israel maintains that these actions are essential for national security and are necessary to prevent future attacks against the nation. However, critics and human rights experts have raised serious concerns about the legality and ethics of targeted killings conducted without a formal trial. The debate over Israel's methods and the complex situation in the region continues to intensify on the international stage. A recent security mission by Israel is causing controversy worldwide. We're looking into the details of this operation, especially its heavy reliance on technology. This mission is considered very different from other operations due to the extent of modern technology being used to track suspected individuals. It is reported that technology plays the biggest role in this mission, serving as the primary engine for identifying and tracking targets. According to the report, Israel is actively using facial recognition technology and mobile tracking as key tools in the operation. The investigation also heavily relies on digital information and analysis of videos recorded during the attack, forming crucial parts of the intelligence gathering. Remarkably, several individuals were identified months after the initial attack, with the help of these detailed digital records. People are surprised by the aggressive deployment of modern technology, leading to widespread discussions about this method in several countries. The mission has polarized opinion. Some people argue it is necessary for security, while others are raising serious concerns about privacy implications. The report indicates that this action has not been limited to Gaza only, suggesting a broader geographical scope for the mission. Israel is also reported to have targeted certain individuals in areas like Lebanon and Iran. The name Ezzedine al-Haddad linked to the attack was mentioned. Following these reports, tensions in the region have increased further, with many countries now closely watching the entire situation. Israel maintains this mission is necessary for its security, with officials believing action is required to prevent another attack in the future. However, human rights organizations have expressed concern, arguing that targeting individuals without a court trial is fundamentally wrong. The mission has created different opinions around the world, with some calling it a necessary step and others questioning its legal and ethical legitimacy. A new report on an ongoing mission by Israel is capturing global headlines. We explore the international reactions and the escalating regional tension. This mission is directly linked to the aftermath of the October 7th attack, a subject that has profound implications both locally and globally. The mission is intensely debated across social media platforms, fueling global interest. With every update, concern and curiosity grow worldwide. According to the report, Israel is continuously moving forward with this mission, employing specific methods to achieve its objectives. The primary goal of the mission is to reach all individuals whose names are connected to the October 7th attack. The investigation relies heavily on advanced technology and secret, ongoing investigations to track and locate these individuals. Experts and the public are continuously sharing diverse opinions on this mission and its potential long-term ramifications. Some people view these actions as necessary and vital measures for Israel's own security and protection. However, others fear that these actions could significantly escalate regional tensions and have serious, long-term geopolitical effects. Along with security debates, questions regarding human rights are also being raised and discussed widely. The entire situation has once again drawn the world's attention to the already tense condition of the Middle East. Existing tensions in the region were already high, and this mission has made the atmosphere even more serious, with fears of broader impact. Amidst the ongoing mission, several countries have appealed for peace in the region, hoping to prevent further escalation. The fear of increasing tensions spreading internationally means the entire world is keeping a very close watch on this situation. People around the world are closely following every new update, with both interest and concern growing simultaneously. It remains unclear how long this mission will continue, or what new steps might be taken next, maintaining global uncertainty. One thing is certain: this news has caught the attention of the entire world and will continue to be closely watched in the coming days.